BB, why you get lost again?
Hello. Well, lost again. Well, this time I'm in Bangkok. I didn't think I was going to get here. So a bit of a trek to get here. So I flew from London Heathrow to Singapore, all the way to Kuala Lumpur. And I've got some work to do in Kuala Lumpur. And I've got a few days off. So I thought, what could I do in those few days off? I can either look around to Malaysia, or I thought Thailand was nearby. So I thought, well, I'll get a flight to Thailand. So I've just flown into Subuni Bum Bum Airport, I think it is, Subuni Boo Boo Airport, something like that. Yeah, a bit of a trek. So anyway, I have got a hotel, managed to get one just at the last minute. I might have been a bit lucky there. A lot of the hotels here are fully booked, so apart from the really expensive ones, out of my budget. But anyway, next stop is passport control, immigration, and then get to the hotel somehow. I'll catch you in a bit. So, got through passport control and immigration. That was easy but difficult, if you know what I mean. It took about 45 minutes to get through in the end. Good tip, there are loads of data sim places like AIS booths, not too far from immigration and past immigration as well if you want a data sim. But I think I was the, well, I must have been about third or fourth plane to arrive, all at the same time. And in the queue, there must have been hundreds of people, mostly Chinese. There weren't many Westerners in there. So yeah, I'm through passport control. Now I'm going to try and get to the hotel. And I've been told taxis in Bangkok are pretty slow during rush hour, around about 5 or 6 o'clock. So I'm going to have a go at taking the train. I think there's two trains. I think it's the BTS train to Top Pirate Thai something or other, and then the Sky train to Nani, I think, something like that. So I'm going to try and film it if I can, but we'll see what happens. This could end in tears. Worked. Down there. We need Pirate Thai, and I think it must be one of these. Well, we'll see what happens. I'll be back in a little while. So that was actually quite easy. So the stop is Phaya Thai. It's A8, the last on the track, the last on the line, and it's actually 7 stops. So you can't really go wrong with that. Very busy though. So I'm going to try and get to the next bit now. I think we have to go through here, through these turnstiles, and put that little black thing through when I can get it. This thing, that thing there, through here. Oh, through the slot. Off we go. Everyone seems to be going. Down here. Because now we've got to find the next station to go on the Sky train, I think it is. I think we're looking for the Sky train. Busy this is. Right, I'm going to try and find the Sky train. Back in a minute. So it looks like you come down the escalator and you follow this route here. Past all this lot. There. I think we're looking for Nana, not Nanny, Nana. So I guess we just hold secure in this line, I suppose. I'll be back in a minute. Nana. I've got to find how I get there. I shall ask. Does this go to Nana?
Nana platform number 1.
Number 1.
Up there.
Excellent. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, so to get to Nana, platform 1, to the right, up the stairs. Oh my god, this is noisy. this goes to Nana. Oh, it doesn't need a thing to me. It's out here. Right, we'll wait for this train, we'll get on it, and I'll be back in a minute. And now we're at Nana, and that wasn't too bad. In fact, that was quite easy. That was, yeah. And now I'm going to try and find the hotel, and then I'll do a quick run through of how to actually get here on the trains. But surprisingly, it wasn't too bad. Although I have no idea where I'm going, so I shall have a little look, and hopefully I'll be back in a little while. Oh my word, look at this lot. I'm glad I took the train and not the taxi. So I finally got here to the hotel in the middle of Bangkok at night time. It is absolutely manic out there. It's like something out of Blade Runner. There's lights, there's cars, there's people, there's just traffic absolutely everywhere. It's one hell of a city. But to get here was actually not too bad. A little bit difficult for the first time, but I think when you do it a second or third time, it'd be absolutely easy. Yeah, no real problems at all. You come out of Sabadi Boom through the airport through the carousel, we go through to the exit. You then make your way down to level number 1. There's an ATM machine down there. There's also several different data SIM network cards, things you can buy for your phone, SIM cards down there, loads of different ones. Then you go down, it's like a little ramp towards these little machines, and then you're looking for Phaya Thai, which is A8. It's the last stop on the line. It's only 7 stops from Suvarnabhumi Airport. You get a little disc, well it's actually 45 baht. You get this little black plastic disc which you put in the, which you tap on the gate thing and it opens up. Then you follow the ramp up and the escalators up to the top pit, and it's the train is just on there. It just goes to a load of stops, and that is Phaya Thai is the last stop on the line. It's absolutely packed, especially at 5 or 6 o'clock at night. Loads of people are on the train there. Then you get off, you follow the hordes of people, you go down the sort of stairs, like the escalators, go down like a little ramp, go and sort of turn to your right, I think it is. And then you'll see a load of people queuing up at these different self-service machines. There's also a kiosk there as well. You go up to the self-service machine. I think it was 20 baht. It's either 10 or 20 baht to get to Nana. And you're looking for Nana. You'll see a big map on the screen. Look for Nana. It's literally 5 stops from the Phaya Thai. You then get this, you put the money in, you then get this like little card thing. You then go through and flash that onto the turnstiles. Platform 1 is what you're looking at. You're walking along and it's to your right, and you go up the stairs. And when you get to the top, it's literally that train as you turn to your right. It's literally that train. You get on that, and again, 5, 6 o'clock, that's absolutely rammed. But the people are really polite, even though it's really shoulder to shoulder. I was trying to film in it, I just couldn't even get the camera out. Just too many people. You're literally shoulder to shoulder. Not stinky or anything like that, and very polite people. It's just, yeah, you're jammed in there. Yeah, 5 stops along, Nana, and you'll hear the tannoy say, next station, Nana. Get out of there, and then you follow the hordes of people, go down the stairs, turn to your left, and turn to your right, I think it is, and then you'll see a load of turnstiles, and then you stick the card, and it eats your card, turnstiles open, and away you go. Yeah, quite simple, really. So anyway, I'll do a little review of this room at some point. I think for now, I'm gonna have a shower and get something to eat. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you like this, please hit the like button. If you want to see more of this rubbish, please hit subscribe, and until next time, see if we can get lost again. Bye. A quick room review. So this is a basic standard room in the Crown BTS hotel, Sukhumvit, off Sukhumvit 8, I think, near Nana. Yeah, it's not too bad. A basic sort of room. A place to put your clothes, a spare lamp, air conditioning, a couple of seats. Really big bed. Bed's quite comfortable, not too bad. It's very basic, really. Little desk, little fridge, and a couple of little bottles of complimentary water in there as well. TV. Smells of smoke in this room a little bit, but what I'm do around here. Bathroom, very basic. Yeah, it's a basic sort of room, really. put the price on the screen as well because I can't remember how much it actually is. It was a weird sort of like glass thing through the wall there. Yeah, not too bad. It's alright for a night or two. Have a look at the view out here. Not much. And that is it. Crown Hotel or Crown BTS Hotel in Nana.